So let's say you are new to the AI industry and you are someone who want to use that for their benefit so that you can earn something or become financially free using AI, but you don't know anything about it, right? If that's the case, this video is for you. Hey, my name is Fathul and me and my brother are building an AI chatbot business where we serve clients on Fiverr by building them custom AI chatbots. If you haven't checked out my first video about how did I make my first income using custom AI chatbot with Fiverr, the link will be in the description. You can check it out. But for now, let's talk about how you can use AI chatbot for your benefits, right? So in this video, we are going to talk about 4 things. First, what is custom AI chatbot? Second is why it is so important for different industries. Number 3 is different bot building platforms that we can use for our business. Number 4 is I will show you how you can build your first chatbot in this video. So the first step of the video is what is custom AI chatbot? Custom AI chatbot is chatbot which is custom to the consumer or the customer or the lead's particular demand or needs, right? That means it's completely personalized to the prospect's demand and it will give solution exactly to the prospect that's asking the question. A custom AI chatbot can recommend you products, it can give you answers to detailed questions, it can also appoint bookings, help you buy different products, etc, etc. Now, why custom AI chatbots are different from normal chatbots? Normal chatbots are not personalized to particular consumer. Like they have a particular conversion script and they cannot break that. There is a limitation of what you can do with normal chatbots. But in the case of custom AI chatbots, you are implementing AI in the chatbots for customization or personalization for the leads, right? It will help the businesses to acquire more consumers. It will help the leads to get answers to their unanswered questions, and it will help you if you build those for those businesses. So it's a win-win situation. Now let's briefly talk about why custom AI chatbots are so much important. There are many reasons why custom AI chatbots are important, but I'm going to talk about majorly 3 things. First one is 24/7 availability, right? A custom AI chatbot cannot sleep, does not sleep, and it answers your question 7 days of the week, 24/7. Number 2 is personalized interaction. For different audiences, for different customers, for different lead and prospect, it will have a totally different conversation. Number 3 is reducing cost. A business invest lots of money in hiring employees, in training them, and even then the employees make mistakes because we are humans, we have errors. Custom AI chatbot is 90% or if not then 100% accurate in its answers. Usually custom AI chatbots have huge knowledge base by using which they can answers humongous amount of questions, and not just that, an AI chatbot can do lots of things at once. So it can be a customer service AI chatbot and also product recommendation chatbot and also appointment booking chatbot, but a business cannot do that with their employees. Now you might be asking that, like, who are using AIs in their businesses, right? Many businesses, many known and unknown business who are maybe the industry leaders are using AIs and AI chatbots for their business. Sephora, Nike, CNN, Duolingo, these are just a few of many business which are using AIs for their business. So that's why we have to understand that AI is a new thing, and if you know how to operate that, you can gain a lot from that. Okay, now let's talk about which platforms should you use for your custom AI chatbots. There are many chatbot building platforms like Botpress, VoiceFlow, ManyChat, Dialogflow, and many others. There are 2 who are the industry leaders, which is Botpress and VoiceFlow, and both of them are really good and they are amazing. I'll give you a table. You can see that both of them are pretty much amazing in every aspects of it, right? But for us, we have chosen Botpress because it's cost effective, more flexible, it's much more customizable. But if you are someone who wants it to be easy, then you can go for VoiceFlow. It's much more easy than Botpress. And now what we're going to do is we're going to build your first custom AI chatbot with Botpress. So let's just jump into that. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to build you your first chatbot with Botpress, and it's going to be a very simple chatbot. It's going to have a knowledge base, and you can just ask it different questions, and based on the knowledge base, it will give you and provide you with different solution. So and if you ask it any questions which are out of its knowledge base and out of its knowledge, it will not give you any answer. It will just say that, okay, I don't know the answer to that question, right? So let's get started. So this is my Botpress account, and creating and logging in Botpress is really easy. We just go and it's free. It's completely free. Initially it's completely free, and it has a pay-as-you-go subscription, whereas in Voice and other chatbot building platform, you have to pay subscription fee for that, right? So yeah, let's see. So you will go to the Botpress account, and you will just we're going to create just a chatbot, normal basic chatbot, right? Okay, you can just go to the edit part, but I'll just give you a basic intro of this. This is the details of your bot. So here it is. Integration, you can connect your bot. So this is the bot this is a random name they just provided, devoted basis, whatever. So they have given us the web chat integration part. So after we build the chatbot, we can copy this and paste this code into their HTML code, and it will just start running. For example, this is actually configurable code, and this is pre-configured code. Browsing hub, and these are the tools where you can connect your Botpress with, like web chat, WhatsApp, Messenger. There's some Telegram, Messenger. All the important ones are there, right? There was Instagram. I saw Instagram, Line. The many integration you can do. So let's get started with editing the bots, right? So they gave us some templates. One is learn Botpress. One is AI public personality. Start from scratch. I will start from scratch. Beginning of conversation. So this is the chatbot that they give you at like the beginning of it, right? So if you just go here and you just say something, conversation started. This bot is empty. Please add a knowledge in the default knowledge base or card in the notes, right? So it doesn't work, and you can see the conversation ended. So this is what it does. It does absolutely nothing, right? So okay, how do I delete this? Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to build a knowledge-based chatbot, basic knowledge-based chatbot, where you can just ask it some question about, let's say, Lionel Messi, right? We're gonna build a basic chatbot about Lionel Messi. A chatbot who will give you information about Lionel Messi. That's it. It's gonna do nothing else. So we are going to let's say we'll just delete this. All right. Delete the whole thing. This is the start of the conversation flow, and this is the end of the conversation flow. You will just right click on the mouse, and you just create a standard note. In a standard note, you can add different stuff. By the way, if you just hover over this place, there are all the cards you need, and you can also add cards there. So we will just have added text, right? So added text, it's hello. My hello is also wrong. How do you spell hello? How do you say, right? And how you say, how can I help you, right? If you just go and just say something, and it will just push. Oh, sorry, I did not actually add it. Link both of them. You have to link them. So if you just go there, and if you just say, and hello, how can I help you, right? So now we are going to add a knowledge base to it. How do you do that? How do we add knowledge base? You will have to go in the flows, right? There are different. This is the agent part. This is the library. This is there are different intents, different purposes. We will be talking about all of this later in different videos. For now, we will just be working on flows. There are main flow. There is error flow. There is timeout. There is conversation end. So conversation end is there is nothing. So if, by the way, just to show you, if I add something in the conversation end, let's say by this is what I add in conversation end. What will this bot do is just when the conversation ends, it will just say bye, right? So just say hello, how can I help you, and the conversation ended. It did not say bye. I think I have to refresh it. Oh, okay. See, hello, how can I help you? By yeah. So yeah, these are the basic things that you might name. Okay. So now we are going to have a knowledge base. We are going to create a knowledge base about Lionel Messi. I'm going to create a basic knowledge base. We can use Copilot. We can use Bard. I'm just going to use Copilot for now. Okay. So I'm going to ask it to just tell me something about Lionel Messi. It was a very basic one. I did not really enjoy this. Okay, let's just see if it can do it like that. I'm just gonna try to compose something. Okay, it's giving me really bad ones. I'm like really short. This is not what I want. This is really small. Okay, after some research and stuff, but gave me something. I'm really disappointed by it. Okay, let's say you've got some knowledge base. Usually we are not gonna be talking and building chatbots about Lionel Messi. We will do something else. For example, based on different clients, we'll be taking information from their website with sitemap or maybe with manual stuff. We will create FAQs from it. I will be talking about all of that in later videos, but for now let's just use basic knowledge base. Now there are many things we can do with it. We will just go ahead, we'll add a knowledge base. So we can add websites. We can go to Wikipedia and add the Lionel Messi page into the Botpress. So it will just talk about Lionel Messi. We can create tables and it will create the tables, and tables are very important for pricing stuff, right? If you are building a chatbot who is recommending products to different clients, that's where the table will be handy. Documents is what you will use most majority of the time, which is PDF and documents, HTML code, doc files, etc. Search the web means the bot will search the web by itself. Rich text is normal text. So for example, copying this text and pasting there, it's rich text, right? For now, for the to make the video simple, I'm just gonna use rich text, but everyone should use PDFs. PDFs are usually better for this kind of stuff, right? So this is what I've done. Add knowledge base. Now we will add. So if you go there, you'll see that this is where you will see a drop down menu where you'll see capture information. This is where we capture information from the audience. We can have single choices, we can have multiple choices, we can have boolean, we can have configuration, we can have number, email address, phone number, full address, prices. And now what we will do is raw input. What does raw input means is basically customer can give any sort of inputs, anything. This is what we will use when we will be asking them some open-ended question, like ask anything you want. We'll just test the bot, right? So this is it. See, waiting for the user input, right? So if I ask, tell me about Lionel, oh my god, I forgot the spelling of Lionel Messi, shit, Messi. So this is how it worked, right? So if I ask this one, for example, so hello, how can I help you? Ask me anything. So I'm gonna just tell it to who's Lionel Messi, right? So what it's gonna do, it's going to figure it out and it's going to give me just, okay, this is Lionel Messi is footballer, something he's known as something, right? And then it's just gonna give me bye. And if I ask this to again, just when was he born? So I didn't tell him that tell me about Lionel Messi, but just tell him when was he born. Lionel Messi was born in something. So it understood. I didn't tell him to do anything, but it understood the question and it gave me an answer based on that. So I didn't do anything. I just did this part. This is what I've done, right? Now let's talk about how to publish this. This is how you'll publish. You just click on publish button and it will just publish the bot. It just published the bot, and if I want to share this bot, and it will just go and so this is the bot. Again, this is the same bot. Hello, how are you? How can I help you? Tell me something. I don't know. Although the bot is not really in a good shape right now, so it did not understand what I'm talking about. It tell me something, what? Tell me what, right? So, but it will work if you actually spend some time on it, right? So if you go to the dashboard and you can see that there is this where is it integration and then pre-configuration, and you will just copy this. Let's say we have an HTML code, right? Okay, I'll just ask Copilot to give me an HTML code. All right, give. So this is what it gave me. This is basic HTML code. I want to just copy and paste it. Okay, what the hell was that? Copied, pasted, right? We're going to save it as HTML. Alright, so dot HTML, nothing else. HTML. This is the file. No, this is not the file, is it? Welcome to my page. This is a paragraph. Okay, this is the page that it gave me. Okay, so just for the sake of showing you what you will have to do if you want to use the bot in any platform. See, this is the embedded code. We will just copy this embedded code, and in our notepad, where's the notepad? In our notepad, just before the body tag, we will paste this and we'll just save this. All right, I did nothing. I just copied and pasted over the body section. Right, I'm going to refresh this. Okay, see, this is our bot. This is our bot running in a website. All right, so, and this is actually our bot. You can just talk to this. Okay, and hello, I'm going to help you. Who's Lionel? Okay, my God, my goodness, Lionel Messi. It will give us an answer. Okay, Lionel Messi is something, blah, 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 and it gets bye. Right, so this is how easy it is to work with Botpress. I hope I was able to make you understand this, something. And I'm sorry if the video got cut out in some parts. I am noob. I don't know anything. That's why. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. By the way, if you want to create any customized chatbots for your business, we have a Fiverr link. I will give the link in the description, and you can just check out our Fiverr account and just talk to us, and we will see how we can help you with your bots. Right? Do good, be good, be in the beautiful path of business. I'm Fatul. Peace.